given out 5 aprons, guys. That's a third of our aprons.
There's a lot of really good cooks out there, but, you know, let's really be selective.
Where did I put my shrimps? What's here? My name is Sue. I'm 30 years old, and I'm from Houston, Texas.
Just like home, right?
Just like home, with a lot more cheering people. I am born and raised in Burma.
What about the noodles? How's the noodles?
Noodles to go. I started cooking more like helping my mom and my grandmother, peeling onions, peeling potatoes, peeling garlic. So it was more of a chore than a choice. But then, at 22, I got myself admitted into a grad school in the United States. So I started cooking a lot again just to comfort myself from homesickness. And that is when I realized food is engraved in the very core of me.
I know you got it, honey.
I'll get it.
You're gonna love it.
What's going on in there?
So I'm pounding fresh curry paste. I grew up in Burma, so we make a lot of curries in Burma.
What does America need to know about Burmese food?
We have a lot of culinary influence from India and China, Southeast Asia, and I'm putting everything in the bowl that I'm presenting to you tonight.
Good luck.
I can promise you that. Thank you very much.
Awesome. That looks amazing.
It's the home stretch. You got it.
I hope I make my family, my parents, my grandmother really, really proud of me.
3, 2, 1. Yes!
I believe Burmese food is worthy of winning MasterChef title, and I'm here to win it. Hello, chefs.
Whoa.
My name is Sue. I'm presenting this Burmese shrimp and coconut curry noodle soup to you.
And where does this love of food come from?
I come from a third world country. We have to eat so that we can survive. So we are really grateful to have a bowl of rice every day where I came from.
Wow.
Shall we taste?
Indeed. I can tell by your presentation that you were really considerate about all the different elements. It just says a lot about your finesse and your technique.
So you toasted the heads throughout as well?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, chef. I charred them, and I squeeze out the juice, but all these heads, they go back into a shrimp stock pot.
Emerald, how was that for you?
Sue, I have a thing
Yes,
that
chef.
I say,
Yes, chef.
not to too many people, which is food of love. And this here, Sue,
Yes, chef.
is food of love. Well done.
Thank you very much, chef. I'm very humbled.
That is truly something special.
It means a lot to me, chef.
It was a profound immersion into Burmese cuisine.
Thank you very much, Joe.
So I'm going to be really honest with you. It's the best dish I've tasted all night.
Thank you so much, chef.
Congratulations. Come over, please, young lady.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
And go away so we can finish eating the rest of the
Yes,
dish.
chef, yes. Thank you very much.
Please.
I'm so proud of you, honey. You're a master chef.
Mom, Dad, I got the white apron. I just earned it, Dad. I just earned it, Mom.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Dad. Thank you.
Yeah, you took all the shrimp. You left half a shrimp for Emerald and I.
I didn't taste the shrimp at all.
Dude, I had one
you
piece
had the
of
whole
shrimp.
thing.
Don't
There's
give me
two
that
shrimp
shit.
tails. No, hey, what, can you get... Really? What's wrong with you?
No, mama.
The audition rounds continue. 2 no's, and you're out of this door with no apron. With another culinary legend. For the very first time, Curtis Stone. 4 judges.
Your execution was perfect.
It's beautiful.
You definitely have an apron.
1 chance
That is one of the worst dishes that I've ever tasted.
For me, I'm sorry, it's enough.
to earn one of the few remaining white aprons and a prize position
I think you've nailed it.
in the final 15.
The level that they're cooking at already, you guys are in for one hell of a season.